Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you the topic of Per AI assisted bedroom renovation, empowering life aesthetics with technology. We have specifically collected the experiences and feedback of real users, hoping to demonstrate how technology can truly change the way we create ideal homes.
Before exploring how AI can assist, let's first review the common pains in traditional bedroom renovations. I believe many of you have had a similar experience, browsing aimlessly for hours on various photo websites in search of inspiration, but still having no clue. Consulting professional designers, the high design fees are daunting. What's even more worrying is that after completing the renovation, one realizes that the colors don't match, and the layout is unreasonable. So they have to rework and start over. For friends with limited space, it is a huge challenge to pack all the necessary items in a small room while avoiding bumps and collisions.
So, how did AI break through? The core is that it brings about an ultimate efficiency revolution. Let's take a look at a set of comparative data. In the drawing process, traditional methods may take 2 to 4 days, while AI assistance only takes 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Some students have given feedback that 4 versions of the plan can be produced in 10 seconds. In spatial modeling, AI can quickly generate models by taking photos, reducing the time from several class hours to half a class. Per when modifications are needed, it's no longer time-consuming back-and-forth communication, but one-click regeneration. A designer lamented that, now even if clients temporarily request multiple versions, it can be easily handled. 朗读小提示，问句 How did AI break? At present, there are already many easy-to-use and powerful tools available for selection. For example, Room GPT has a minimalist interface that is perfect for beginners to quickly get started and experience. Interior AI provides a style slide that can smoothly switch between over 20 design styles / inspiring inspiration. The localized QJL AI has the advantage of being able to export construction drawings with just one click, making it convenient to directly connect with construction projects. The AR preview function of Planner 5D allows you to clearly see the size and proportion of furniture / in the actual space before purchasing.
Let's take a look at a real case. This is a 10 square meter small bedroom for a post-95s tenant in Shenzhen. With a very limited budget of only 1,000 yuan, the solution proposed by AI is to use tatami mats combined with hidden drawers to increase storage, and use wall mirrors to expand visual space. After the renovation, the most surprising thing for users is that they can still open their luggage in place after putting down the bed. This small but practical detail solves a real pain point for residents living in small spaces. Let's look at another case. A 25 square meter master bedroom for a newlywed couple in Shanghai needs to accommodate an esports area, a walk-in closet, and a reading area simultaneously. After optimizing the layout, AI not only successfully achieved coexistence of 3 zones, but also shortened the daily activity flow by 1.8 meters, basically avoiding collisions. The designer in charge of this case shared, "We delivered the complete solution within 48 hours. The client once thought we had a team of 20 people behind us, but in reality, our main working partner was AI." Feedback from frontline users and designers may be more indicative of the issue. Independent designer Leisha said, "What limits me now is not my technical ability, but my imagination." A design student described it as AI is like a bombardment of inspiration. "I just need to select my favorite ones for fine-tuning." Some designers have also expressed that with the help of AI, urgent needs that were previously difficult to handle can now be easily handled, and the delivery speed has amazed customers.
Today I will briefly present the key findings from our 2025 classroom text satisfaction survey. This survey was conducted
Among the spring 2025 classes of Guangdong Lingnan Vocational College, with 96 results responses collected, proving responsive, simple, and offering valuable insights. The data mainly focus on satisfaction in the following three areas. The first, satisfaction with drawing speed, 92%. The vast majority of students highly recorded the response days and the smoothly of the text content, reflecting the positive outcomes of our technologic optimizations and instructional designs. The second, satisfaction with style diversity, 88%. Nearly 90% of students are satisfied with the correct range of styles or content formats, indicating that this option effectively meet their learning and creative needs, thereby helping to stimulate their interest in learning. The third, satisfaction with usability, 85%. Over 80% of students found the system of courses easy to operate and user-friendly, demonstrating that our efforts in interface design, graduates instruction, and teaching support have successfully reduced barriers to use and enhanced the overall experience. In summary, the survey results show high levels of satisfaction across the three dimensions of drawing speed, style diversity, and usability. This not only reflects students' approval of the correct teaching and testing content, but also provides a clean direction for future improvements. Maintaining overstress while referring around with flat, lower satisfaction, such as usability. We remain committed to learning to student feedback, continuously update the course and testing its backwards, and striving to achieve higher satisfaction and greater enjoyment in teaching interaction in the future.
Of course, we also need to objectively see the shortcomings of the current situation. Users also raised some complaints. For example, the details of the pictures generated by the free version may be blurred after zooming in. The randomness of the results is sometimes significant and requires multiple attempts. The Chinese customer service support for some tools needs to be strengthened. Users are also reminded that the budget provided by AI may sometimes overlook implicit costs, such as labor costs, and we need to pay special attention to reviewing them during actual implementation. Looking ahead to the future, the integration of AI and home design will become even more profound. The immersive experience combining AI and AR/VR technology, the one-click ordering loop from design to supply chain, and the mode of collaborative work by multiple professional AI agents may all become standard configurations. Finally, I would like to give you 3 practical suggestions. Firstly, try making a few versions of free tools first, and then decide whether to pay after experiencing them. Secondly, it is necessary to provide the AI-generated drawings to the construction party for verification and manually review key dimensions and load-bearing structures. Thirdly, when budgeting, it is recommended to reserve around 10% of error-tolerant space to address actual expenses that may not have been accounted for by AI. In summary, AI is becoming a powerful creative partner for us to create our ideal bedroom. It lowers the threshold of design, unleashes our imagination, and makes beautiful living spaces within reach. My sharing ends here. Thank you, everyone. 朗读小题